I have to catch the littles and put them up top. 4 of them. 3 were raised by the one in the cat crate. Maggie Moo, gone broody again. We've been looking online for more hatching eggs from the Silkie line. We're trying to mix up the genetics. So we have 3, but we do want to add to it. And we don't have a frizzle. We want to add a frizzle. So anyway, we have a lineup of chickens who want to come in. And they were picking on, the hens were picking on the babies too much. Like, you know, how much can you bear? You know, they're spending all their time hiding and running, and they're just not feeling comfortable in their environment. So now they get the coop to themselves during the day, and at night we put them in the brooder box. All 4 of them. We paired the new littles up with our only child over there, Sammy. Sammy was an only child. She was an accident, but we love her so much. So anyway, so they're pairing up. I hate having singles. They need a family, they need friends, and they're getting along great. So they're perfectly happy in the brooder box for the night. Tomorrow they all get to come back out again. And, you know, purposely grouping Sammy with the littles. She's a month or 2 older, but it's going to give her camaraderie with a small group of chickens. She's a lot better. They don't pick on her so much anymore. She's a zoomy little thing. She got the hang of it. Not that they're nice to her. She's just really good at keeping herself out of harm's way. Little ones. So right now, other than those feathers right there, they all look like hens. Those feathers right there look like rooster feathers. She sure doesn't have the personality of a rooster, though. What do you think about the neck feathers? This one might be a roux. Hens. I think they're hens. That is Sammy's mom. Hatching mom. Not genetically related. Oh, we had to take a chicken out of here today for egg pecking. She's in the other brooder. So she's going to join the other side. Can't do it right now. We got to do it in the morning. She's got to have time to acclimate. So we didn't build tops for the brooders. We ran out of time. It got cold and we just moved everybody in. And we didn't know if we were going to need a top. We do need a top. So we're just, you know, makeshift, whatever. The littles don't jump out, but the ducks fly out and the other chickens fly out if it doesn't have a top on it. Sometimes it doesn't matter because, you know, I'm not going to keep them in timeout forever. And I guess if the duck was feeling well enough to fly out, then he's well enough to be with the other ducks. He hates being confined, and that's what you're supposed to do when you have a sick bird, right? You're supposed to confine them. Sick ducky hates it. There's sick ducky over there. She's still not well. And this is not the first time she's gotten sick from this. Every year, honestly. Every single year. They say that they're not genetically prone to digestive problems, but this one, I don't know. It might have started with COVID. Animals get COVID. I had problems after having back-to-back COVID, probably different strains of it. I mean, I'm a whole lot better years later, but yeah, thank God. But anyway, that's what I think caused it. I think it was COVID. Did she get COVID again this year? It's certainly possible. Before I went on vacation, I was wondering if I had COVID because it was taking so long to get well. So who gave it to who? Did I give it to the duck or did the duck get it from me? Our chicken monitoring system. There's the babies up in the loft. Birds are snuzzling in. Other side's not really being utilized yet.